Imagine a world where you could hold hands with someone across the globe, feel the texture of a virtual object, or perform delicate surgery from miles away, all with the power of touch. Welcome to the future of haptic technology. Researchers at University College London have developed a device that's about to change everything, introducing the bio-inspired haptic system, or BAMH for short. What makes BAMH so groundbreaking is its ability to closely mimic the real sensation of human touch. Our fingertips are equipped with four primary types of touch receptors, each designed to detect different sensations like pressure, texture, vibration, and stretch. The BAMH system stimulates these exact receptors, producing tactile feedback that feels strikingly real. From the lightest brush of a feather to the firmness of a handshake, this device captures it all by delivering stimuli within the 0 to 130 Hz range, precisely where our skin is most sensitive. It's like touching the future today. The BAMH system isn't just for fun, it's poised to revolutionize medical diagnostics. Traditionally, clinicians test a patient's touch sensitivity by manually brushing their skin. But with BAMH, doctors can now quantify touch with unmatched accuracy. It's like turning a subjective guess into precise data, allowing us to better diagnose and treat conditions involving sensory loss. The potential for healthcare is enormous. With BAMH, doctors will have the tools to treat patients with a level of precision previously thought impossible, but it doesn't stop at diagnostics. Imagine performing complex surgeries remotely using robotic arms. While today's robotic surgeons lack tactile feedback, BAMH changes that. Surgeons will soon be able to feel the difference between healthy tissue and tumors, improving accuracy and safety during operations. It's not just technology, it's a game changer for modern medicine. Beyond medicine, BAMH opens new doors in industries like hazardous waste management. Working with toxic or dangerous materials from a distance will now have a more intuitive, human-like touch. Operators can feel what the robots are interacting with, ensuring safety and precision in high-risk environments. And yes, even in our social lives, BAMH will bring us closer together. Long-distance relationships, virtual meetings, and immersive gaming experiences will be forever changed. Picture this: being able to hold hands with a loved one on the other side of the world, or feel the handshake of someone during a virtual business meeting. That's the power of BAMH. This system is more than just an engineering feat, it's a breakthrough that could redefine how we interact with our world, both physically and virtually. From healthcare to hazardous waste management, from robotic surgery to video calls, the BAMH system brings touch to the digital world in ways we never imagined. The future of touch is here, and with the BAMH system, the world just became a little more tangible. If you enjoyed learning about the future of human touch and technology, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing innovations. The world of tomorrow is just a touch away.